Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we practice some important bits regarding the Unit 8 from the Telangana 7th class English content. Who is the writer of the poem Trees? Answer Harry Bain. Even more toxic is the venom of the secretive and timid common crate. Identify the correct antonym of the underlined word. Answer poisonous. Gorgon is dash. Answer a suburb of Mumbai. From the poem Trees and gather birds among their boughs. Identify the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer branches. How many blood transfusions were Kamal given in the lesson Snakes in India? Answer 15. To touch the beams of morning sun. Identify the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer race. Tengal Kamal was bitten by a snake in which year from the lesson Snakes in India? Answer 1981. Tengal Kamal was a dash according to the lesson Snakes in India. Answer farmer. You humans are yourselves destroying my bountiful forests and making lands barren. Identify the antonym of the underlined word. Answer meager. Which of the following cobra has no distinguishing marks? Answers black cobra. Kamal was declared out of danger only after dash. Answer the fifth day. How old is the earth according to the story A Letter from Mother Earth? Answer 4.6 billion years old. What are the most dangerous animals on the Indian subcontinent? Answer snakes. Most snakes are dash. Answer timid and nocturnal. Which among the death dealing Quartet is glistening. Answer common crate. The percentage of the world total of snakebite deaths occurs annually in India is dash. Answer 50%. Kamal felt increasingly dash. Answer giddy. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers drowsy, sleepy, lullaby, a song we sing to help a child fall asleep, convinced, completely sure about, unbearable, too painful, annoyingly unpleasant. 1 billion is equal to dash lakhs. Answer 10,000 lakhs. Most snake bites occur as people walk dash. Answer barefoot. Which of the following is a relative of some killer snakes of Asia, Africa, and Australia? Answer Indian cobra. Spectacle or monocle is not seen on the back of dash. Answer black cobra. Kamal relatives rushed him to a large public hospital. Where was it? Answer in central Mumbai. How many humans in India are bitten by venomous snakes each year? Answer 20,000. What does the cobra feed on? Answer rats. According to the lesson Snakes in India, snakes are most active during which season? Answer monsoon season. How many tiny marks did Kamal see near his ankle according to the lesson Snakes in India? Answer 2. According to the poem Trees, in which season do new birds of green appear? Answer spring. Most snakes are timid, nocturnal creatures. Identify the correct antonymy of the underlined word. Answer active during the daytime. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answer: bountiful, available in large quantities. Barren: barren land is dry and plants cannot grow there. Survive: to stay alive. Destroy: to damage so severely that it no longer exists. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.